Hello everyone, I am Umesh C. Today I am going to explain about the pavement unevenness. Okay, let us start our topic. Here we are going to know about the introduction part and then factors causing the pavement unevenness. And let us know about the introduction part. Here is the sentence which defines the pavement unevenness. Let us see. Pavement unevenness is the cumulative measure of vertical undulations of the pavement surface recorded per unit horizontal length of the road. And it is the definition of the pavement unevenness. And pavement unevenness affects the vehicle operating cost, comfort, and safety. If the pavement has more unevenness, it increases the fuel consumption of vehicles. It also increases the wear and tear of tires and other moving parts. The uneven surface leads to an increase in fatigue and accidents, which means if the road is irregular or irregular, the accidents occurs more. Let us move on to the next slide. Pavement unevenness is measured in terms of unevenness index. Here is the some value of unevenness index value. Okay, first one. If the unevenness index less than 1500 mm per kilometer, which we can say it is good condition. Okay, next one. If the pavement unevenness less than 2500 mm per kilometer, we can call it as satisfactory. First one is good and second one less than 2500 mm per kilometer, we can call it as satisfactory. And the third one is which is greater than 3200 mm per kilometer, we can call it as uncomfortable. Even though we are in 55 kilometers per hour, we feel that is uncomfortable to ride or travel. Okay, next. Here is the factors which causing the pavement unevenness. The first factor which causing the pavement unevenness, here it is unscientific construction practices including the use of boulder stones and bricks as soiling floors over loose subgrade soil. Improper or inadequate compaction of the fill in subgrade and in pavement layer. And the third one is use inferior pavement materials. Third one is use inferior materials. The next one is improper surface and subsurface drainage. Okay, here is the four factors, and fifth one is poor maintenance and practices. If we can't maintain properly, it will going to damage. And the next one is use of improper construction and machineries. We should know how to use the machineries in this field, and if we can't use the machineries in right way, here the pavement unevenness occurs, which leads accidents and very difficulties to us. And next point is failure due to combination of causes. It plays a major role. And here we know about factors causing the pavement unevenness. These 7 points which shows the factors causing the pavement unevenness. And the next one, references are here. Okay, thank you. Here